Welcome to my channel. I'm currently for useful videos. I'm just gonna play a bit of old videos. So can y'all comment down video ideas? Because I am at the moment out of some. And the thing is, um, uh, this is only gonna be available for a few minutes, and if possible, at least 4 to 3 hours. So, you guys, gotta think quickly in the comment. And I just wanna say, shout out to everyone watching this video. I am gonna post a bit more after this, and also I'm gonna pretty soon start like I don't know, doing more stuff in the game. And when I say that, I mean like I'm gonna publish a lot more.